Hi, this is Ziad Coffee Query. Uh, in this video, I want to show you how to easily use ionic components inside your Vue.js application. This is the most easy way. Okay, let's start. Before you create a Vue.js application, you need to install Node.js to be able to use npm package. Okay, npm package is included in Node.js application here. Okay, yeah. If you okay, let me open the CMD. After you install your you install the Node.js, then npm will work. Okay, yeah. In my case, it's installed already. Okay, run. Yeah, after you install Node.js, then you need to install vue-cli by running npm install -g is a global vue-cli. Okay, I have already installed vue-cli and I'm not going to run this again. So after that, you need to create a Vue.js application. Vue create and the application name test app. Okay, I have created this test app. This is my application. If I run this application npm run serve, and if I go to the browser, localhost 8080, yeah, this is the landing page of Vue.js application created by vue-cli. So what I'm going to do is make this application able to use ionic components like ion checkbox or ion button or any other ionic components. Okay, yeah, this is very easy. What you need to do is go to the created application, inside the public index.html here we have a link to add it here. So I had already pasted here, Control C and Control V, paste the link here, https. I will paste this link in the description below, so you can copy that and paste into your own application. Okay, if you go to the components, hello world, let me clean it a little bit. Yeah, yeah, welcome to your Vue.js app. Now I want to show a ionic component right over here. Okay, go to the ionic framework and copy this checkbox, just paste here, Control S, and if you refresh the page, yeah, it's already here. This is the ionic checkbox. You can use any ionic component. I'm using button, ionic button, and close the tag. Success button. Yeah, this is looking a little weird, but this is the ionic component. Okay, yeah, this is very easy, and uh, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe to this channel, and I will put or upload more videos.